Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to share with you 3 of the best smelling, relaxing essential oil diffuser blends. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, the first blend that I'm going to share with you has 3 drops of orange essential oil, 3 drops of bergamot essential oil, 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil, and 2 drops of lemon essential oil. This is an absolutely great blend to use in your diffuser. You'll use this for every about 150 milliliters of water. If you have 300 milliliters, you can double the amount of the drops that I just told you, but a wonderful blend to help relax throughout the day. So a nice relaxing blend. Okay, the next blend that I'm going to share is a super relaxing, de-stressing of like kind of at the end of the day, a great blend to use in your diffuser if you're taking a bath or maybe you want to wind down before bed. And here it is. It is 4 drops of lavender, 3 drops of clary sage, 2 drops of ylang ylang, and 1 drop of marjoram. So use this in your diffuser and I guarantee it will like melt your stress away. This is one of my favorite smelling blends, by the way. All 3 of these are super relaxing and I'm about to share with you the 3rd blend that is one of my favorite relaxing blends. And I use this blend right before bed every single night. I use it in my diffuser. You'll want to put it in your diffuser about 20 to 30 minutes before you actually go into bed. So turn on your diffuser, close the door, and let the aroma fill your room. Get a nice relaxing atmosphere going. And then when you come into bed, it will literally, this blend puts me right to sleep. And here it is, my nighttime blend. 3 drops of juniper berry, 3 drops of Roman chamomile, and 3 drops of lavender. So all of these blends that I shared with you just now, you can use with any brand of essential oil that you choose to use. And again, all of them are nice and relaxing. You can use that first one throughout the day. The second one, the de-stressing blend, you can use again throughout the day, but I like to use it in the evenings when I'm winding down. And the 3rd nighttime blend, I use almost every single day before bed in my room. So there are my 3 best smelling, relaxing diffuser blends. Again, any brand of essential oil that you want to use, you can use with these blends. So go ahead and try them out. Let me know how you like them. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And if you want to get more blends like these, we have pages full of these blends in our free ebook that we're giving away for a limited time. So if you want to download the ebook with these blends and more, go ahead and I'll put a link in the description and you can get a free copy of that right to your email. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.